Hello guys, and welcome to this YouTube video. So in this video I'll be showing you why random numbers are not so random. What I mean by that is random numbers in most computer programs, they are actually generated deterministically. That means you can actually predict which numbers will be generated randomly from whatever will generate the random numbers. The example I'm going to show you here is in Python, but you can also try in other languages. You can see that the sequence that we are getting is quite that not random. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to import the random module. So what this module actually helps us in doing is it helps us in creating random distributions, random numbers, and so forth. So here I'm going to create a for loop that will run 5 times, and each time it prints the random number. So let's do the for underscore in range 5. So it should be range. Well, then we are going to print a random number from here. Print random dot range from 10 up to 99. So what this is going to do is it's going to give us any number between 10 and 99, but not including 99. All right, so let's run this and see what we are going to get. So here we are going to get 29, 14, 50, 47, 48. Now I'm going to run this again, and I want you to notice the sequence that we are going to get. We get 10, 84, 64, 54, and 52. I'm going to run this again for the last time, and I want you to notice the sequence that we are going to get. We get 60, 76, 89, 58, and 33. All right, so we are it's giving me random numbers. So what are you talking about? But so I'm going to show you that I can make it like that it gives me the exact same sequence every time that I run it. And we're going to use a method called seed, which is random dot seed, and we are going to pass a seed. Let's pass 6. Right, so some of you may know what is going to happen here, but anyways, let's run it and see what we get. Right, we get 83, 20, 72, 43, and 14. I am going to run this again for the second time, and I want you to notice the sequence that we are going to get. Notice we get again 83, 20, 72, 43, and 14. I'm going to run this again for the third time. You see 83, 20, 72, 43, 14. I'm not lying to you, I'm actually rerunning this. You can check my case. I'm printing on the run button. Yes, we get 83, 20, 72, 43, and 14 again. All right, so if this cannot give us truly random numbers, so when we are not passing, when we are passing the seed, it gives us the exact same sequence, but without the seed, it's giving us random numbers. So what is just behind the scenes, is the seed, so that we can get quite random numbers. So what is used by the seed, the default is the system time, the very time, to the very second, the very millisecond of the system time that we have, of the time, that current time, that we'll be having at that time. So let's do an example with using the system time as the seed and see what it looks like. So for us to get the system time, we need to import a module called time, right? And we are going to pass it in here. We are going to pass time dot time, so that we get the system time. And let's run this. Right, what I'm saying, cancel. What's happening in here? Sorry for a moment. Right, so if I run this again, you see that we get 95, 22, 95, 55, and 87. If I run this again, notice we get 85, 88, 98, 91, 28. If I run this again, we get 44, 12, 15, 90, and 32. That means if you do not pass the seed, wherever from which you are running this program from, your PC or wherever you are on the cloud, is going to take the system time from where it is being run from. So that means if I run it this very second, the next second I'm going to run it, time is always different, so I'm going to get random numbers. So that has been it, guys, for this video. If you guys find this helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel so that you won't miss any future videos. Thank you.